how to make money on 212 trading, and that is really about me right here. So that, as you can understand and see, so what you are going to do and deal with it. So let's see how we started to underestimate through what we are going to know, as you can understand and see, through every single progress that should be ready on what we are going to underestimate it on our progress. So that is ready to be satisfied for what we are looking for here on the situation. It should be really debating on that. So you started to make money. So you actually start to choose any kind of a stock or ETF or crypto. So you first started to make a credit card or debit card deposition through your account. As you can see, you go for manage funds, started to deposit your money first. Okay, because for example you will start to deposit for about 10 USD. So then start to monitor the market and trades based on the research by going through every single stock or every single ETF that you would like to invest. I make sure that I invest, for example, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Shopify, kind of these stocks, to get a profit for it. So whenever you click on buy, you will start to wait it until it increase, and then you're gonna start to get a profit after you close a position. The same thing then when you want to sell, is to sell from the high position through the low position, and you will start to close the position at low position. And this is how you make money on trading 212 through my opinion.